Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Joya and you are watching my channel JoyTech. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get WhatsApp avatar. WhatsApp is recently added a new feature for its Android and iOS users to create their avatar as like other social media platform have it, like Facebook, like Instagram. Now you can create your avatar at your WhatsApp too. So before starting the video, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. So let's get started. Firstly, open your WhatsApp, then tap at three dots, then tap at settings. Now appears on screen you can see a second option avatar. Just tap on it. Appears on screen you can see a new way to be you on WhatsApp. Now tap at create your avatar. Wait for a moment. Appears on screen you can see a new way to be you on WhatsApp. Now tap at get started. Appears on screen you can see choose a skin tone for your avatar. Now select the color as you want. Tap at next. Now select your hairstyle. You can also select multiple things like outfit, body, eyes and all other things. After selecting all your things, just tap at done. Appears on screen you can see save changes. Any edits you made to your avatar will be saved. Wait for a moment. Appears on screen you can see your avatar is being updated. Just tap at next. Appears on screen you can see my avatar is created now. Now you can see it. Browse your stickers, create profile photo or delete it. Just tap at browse stickers. Appears on screen you can see all these new stickers is available to send now. Like this you can easily create your WhatsApp avatar. Now appears on screen you can see my WhatsApp avatar is created now. If you don't have this avatar option at your WhatsApp, then go back, go to your iOS store or Play Store and in the search bar type here WhatsApp. And make sure your WhatsApp is fully updated or not. If it is required the update, please update it first. After updating your WhatsApp, tap at open. Again tap at three dots, tap at settings, and in the second option you will see a avatar option at your WhatsApps. From there you can create your own WhatsApp avatar. After updating your WhatsApp, if you still cannot get this option at your WhatsApps, then wait for the next update. After the next update, you will be able to create your avatar too. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel too. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.